You can remix one of your favorite producer and win more than 30,000 euros in prizes. It is so exciting. Around a month ago, our community successfully breached 100,000 subscribers, and just to honor that, I have been working on a secret remix competition. First, I have reached the top and most respected audio brands in the industry and convinced them to join us in the competition. Who are they, you say? Arturia, Ableton, Isotope, Native Instruments, Fab Filter, Reason Studios, ESP Audio, Bear Dynamic, Plugin Boutique, Sound Toys, Output, Sonarworks, Kilohertz, Eventide. If you are a top audio brand and you are not on the list, shame on you. That means you most likely ignored my mails. But I don't care, you can still reach me and adapt to the prices, because in that, this is for our community. And of course, after that, I reached to my producer friends that I know our community really love and get them to join our remix competition. Who are they? Fatum, Jonas Alba, Luna Samara, and of course myself with my Biscuit Alliance. So it is simple, you have 4 different artists and 4 different tracks. You can pick any track you like and create your own remix. How you say? Kind people at Metapop is hosting and featuring our event to make it super transparent and tidy. Head over to Metapop, links are in the description and I will add them on the comments as well. And you will find all the prices, stamps and the rules as well. And once you finish your track, upload it to Metapop page. In that way you can also actually listen to other people's remixes at the same time. So it becomes more like a community event that we want. Once the deadline is passed, each producer will pick a winner and each winner gets its own prizes. If you convince the producer and the label, you can even get to release your track with the label and your favorite producers as well. So this is a huge opportunity for anybody who wants to remix their favorite artist and release a serious label. If there's something that you don't want to miss, it is this event. Make sure to share your progression with the remix and use the hashtag RemixThis on any socials. I will try to personally take a look at each post and try to give my feedback as well, as much as I can. And let me also hijack for a second for a personal announcement. If you live in Germany, especially if you're around Munich, I will be playing at Klein 9th of September. So if you want to watch me play, I will put the links below, you can get the tickets. Now get out of here and work on your remix and see you at Klein.